Well, hello everybody. My name's Greg Nelson, and I'm the lead researcher for a product brand called Learniture. Now, a good bit of my job is to talk to educators like you about what you need in your classrooms to accomplish your 21st century learning goals. So today, I'd like to introduce you to a product called the Creation Station. The Creation Station is a Makerspace solution that allows you to create workstations according to your unique needs. So, the Creation Station comes as a kit. Now, when I was a student, my metal construction kits let me put together everything with one simple tool. So we brought this simplicity to you with the Creation Station, where we include a 4mm Allen wrench that lets you put together the entire structure. Like these construction kits, we also clearly labeled the parts so you can easily choose what you need. The V pieces are vertical pieces, and they are fitted with metal pegboards that run the length of the frame. The shorter pieces create units that stand at workbench height. The taller pieces let you create units with overhead shelves. The H pieces are horizontal pieces. They give the table its length, and they hold the tabletops and the shelves that you want. We also designed a special screw that lets you tighten it from the front or the back. This design lets you secure all parts of the structure solidly. It's especially useful when you combine kits in creative ways that don't always let you get to the head of the screw. The tabletops and shelves pop in to let you choose the surfaces that best fit your projects. In this video, you will see whiteboard tops, which are great for brainstorming, design work, or calculations, and MDF tops, sturdy all-purpose surfaces for construction, circuitry, robotics, or a number of other Makerspace uses. Just pop in and pop out these tops to change them on the fly, so you can have the work surfaces you need when you need them. With these parts and pieces, you can personalize your workstation to accommodate your students' needs or the needs of your project. Say that your class is doing intricate work, and you want them to sit at the table. You can easily lower the tabletop for a workbench by measuring the tabletop height that will work the best, removing the tabletop, loosening the screws only a bit on the horizontal pieces, setting the horizontal pieces to the new height, tightening the screws, and dropping the tabletop into place. In just minutes, you've created a station that best works for your students' needs. The Creation Station can also be used with common accessories that help your students to get the most out of their projects. Hooks and pegs easily hang on the side panels, and they let your students easily access and store the tools that they will immediately need. The horizontal pieces hold standard bins for small items, letting students take them efficiently from storage and keep them handy at the workbench. Set up your horizontal pieces to create upper shelves or lower shelves, great for storing larger items or projects that are in progress. Heavy-duty casters let educators and students arrange themselves into the configurations that best suit their work. The casters lock to keep the unit in place during projects. The Creation Station also comes with glides, if you prefer instead to keep your workstation in one place. We also designed your Creation Station to grow as your Makerspace grows. For example, you can build larger workstations by attaching new kits to existing units. This is where the special design of the screw really pays off. Just tighten the screw at the back end for a secure attachment. Our Creation Station kits are the product of meticulous design work and extensive research. As we developed this product, we sought the recommendations of Makerspace educators whose feedback led to our solid designs. We put in this work to make sure that we provide a customizable and expandable solution to meet the current and future demands of your Makerspace. Thanks for letting us introduce you to the Creation Station by Learniture.